Welcome to our third tutorial of how to crochet for absolute beginners, and today we are going to learn how to do half double crochet stitch or half treble crochet stitch for UK terms. As I said before, in this short and sweet tutorial we will start every time with a slip knot, which you would be very good at doing by now, and then we are going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as I said, I do like to flip over the chain and work from the back side for the first row. So the first stitch doesn't count, that's why we have 9. We'll have 9 at the end. So the half double single crochet is you need to have yarn over and then go to the first stitch next to the one we are doing, yarn over, and can you see now we have 3. We have the loop, this is the yarn over, and this is the stitch which is the next one to the one we had. And now when we yarn over, we just go through this one first. So now we will have 3 loops. So half a double crochet stitches, you yarn over and go through all these 3, and then do it again. We have 1 loop already on the hook. We yarn over, which we create the second one, and then this is the next stitch, the back of the next chain, yarn over and pull through only with this first one. Can you see what I'm doing here? I'm keeping my thumb. I don't know, some people might do it like this, but I like keeping this one so they don't get messed up, it doesn't come through it. So now we have 3, and then yarn over and we go through all of the 3. Let's do it again. We have 1, yarn over to make the second one, go through here, yarn over, and we bring the third one. So we have 3 loops, and then we yarn over and go through the 3 loops. You may find it a little bit difficult to start off, but then you see how easy it is. The key is, as we started at the beginning and said it, you yarn over with your hook facing backwards, then you go turn the hook and go through the next stitch, and then can you see this movement? It keeps going up 180 degrees through, up 180. So we go, you can just wriggle, and it comes out through the 3 loops. Yes, sometimes it can go through, but you want only the loop from the back of the chain. Yarn over, go through the 3 loops. Okay, so this is our, let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Can you see? And if you compare it with the single stitch, this is little bit taller, and then we do one and turn over. Yarn over, and now we are going through both. Can you see this little hole? Like this. We're not going through here or from the back, we're taking both of them. The same thing as we did before. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through. Okay, we finished the second row. Look, because they're a little bit taller, your work grows as well. So this is our third row. I'm really sorry about the noises. Our neighbors are out in the communal garden, but if you can just ignore them. So here it is. This is our third row of half double crochet stitch, and it is a quite common one as well. So as I'm used to American, I will not keep repeating American versus UK. I'm working this in American terms, and when I start making my own patterns and start writing them, I think I'm planning of including American terms as well as UK terms as well as American, but I haven't had the time yet, but I'm thinking of making it a little bit easier, but we'll see how it goes. For now I'm doing the American terms. So you can see the difference. We make 10 rows of one, but then because the other one is a little bit taller, it becomes less rows. So it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 rows. I'll do one more and it will be roughly the same as before. So remember, this is yarn over, go through the next stitch, pull through and yarn over and pull through from 3 of them, 3 of the loops. And very soon, very soon, we are approaching, we have few more stitches which are the main ones, and then we will create our first crochet item, which could be used as a single one or as part of the other patterns. So this is our half double crochet stitch.